Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today, I'm presenting you the tutorial of TikTok trend called Everyday Advanced Result. Get your clips ready. Go to Video Effects. Go to Lens. Select FPS lag effect. Adjust speed 50. Make its length equal to the length of first clip. Now again, go to Video Effects. Go to Opening and Closing, and select Halo Blur. Make the length of effect equal to clip. Go to Adjust and make speed 100 and intensity 60. Now copy it and drag under each clip. Remove the effect under second clip. Copy the clip and make it overlay. Drag under second clip. Add two keyframes on it at start and at the end. Zoom at end keyframe. Set its opacity 65 at start keyframe and 0 at end keyframe. Then go to Graphs and select these out too. Copy it and drag under the same clip. Now again, go to Video Effects. Go to Nightclub and select Play Pendulum. Intensity 10, twist 10, speed 15 and sharpen 0. Expand the effect. Now go to Adjust. Set brightness -7, vignette 10, and contrast -5. Expand it to whole video. Now save this much to storage. Come back to same project and add the video we just saved. Trim at the intro part. Also trim out the blank part. Add any transition between last clips to make it smooth. And then we're done.